Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Redmi model and that the rear camera LED actually works. This saves time. Once done, open Settings and go straight to additional settings, then Accessibility or Sound and Vibration. Manufacturers place flash alerts in different menus. Make sure you grant camera and notification permissions now if you plan to use a third-party app, because without those permissions, the flash cannot trigger. Don't waste time. Get the permissions and location of the option first. Now enable the camera flash notifications toggle. You'll usually see choices for incoming calls, messages, or all notifications. Choose what you need. Next, customize frequency and duration so the flash pattern is noticeable but not overly distracting. If MIUI built-in controls are limited, install a trusted third-party app and grant it notification and camera access. Then select specific apps and set patterns. Make sure to test with a quick call or message so you can refine timing. Finish by testing with a real incoming call and a notification from each app you configured so you can tweak duration and per app exceptions. Make sure to disable battery optimization for the built-in setting or app so the flash fires reliably in the background. If it fails, check permissions again, verify the LED works for camera flash, and confirm Do Not Disturb isn't blocking visual alerts. One key tip: reboot after changes. This often resolves permission or service start issues instantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.